In this material, you will learn how to use the cylinder disconnector tool, which is accessible within the KME NEVO-SKY software. The cylinder disconnector is a diagnostic utility intended for verifying that the gas loom is properly connected to the car. For the correct operation of the gas system, it is important that the gas controller channels correspond to the petrol controller cylinders. Symptoms of incorrect connection of the petrol injectors may include problems in calibrating the gas system, the engine dying when idling, stuttering when operating on gas fuel, or OBD errors. To use this tool, you need to connect the gas controller harness to the petrol injectors and to the OBD. Remember, this is a necessary step in the installation process for the direct system. Navigate to the calibration menu, then auto setup, then parameters 1, and select cylinder disconnector. Or alternatively, go to configuration, then basic configuration, and select cylinder disconnector. Make sure the vehicle is running on petrol, and the gas controller can access the OBD. Now disconnect the cylinders one by one and wait for an error to appear. The error code will indicate whether the cylinder was connected correctly. If the error code doesn't match the disconnected cylinder, you must fix the harness connection. Remember, in some vehicles from brands such as Renault, Nissan or Dacia, the OBD error might not appear even after a long time. It is then required that the connection be verified manually. Each cylinder must be disconnected sequentially. After every error, it's best to clear the faults and move on to the next cylinder. In the case of vehicles with direct fuel injection, dual type, which means those having both port and direct injectors, it might be necessary to force operation on direct injection. For this purpose, activate the low-pressure emulation ECN within the Emulation tab, and subsequently, within the cylinder disconnector window, select the option labeled Force Emulation on Petrol.